From CBS 2 News, a breaking news report.
Today in Catalonia, Shakira was going out of the Camp Nou. In this moment, a very strong wind blows there and Shakira's kid went down. She was unlucky for Shakira that in the entrance of the Camp Nou was a paparazzi and us. We and the paparazzi took a lot of photographs of that and there was visit around the world. Goodbye.
Hello, these are the international news. Last night in Madrid, Cristiano Ronaldo fell down the stairs in his house and he broke his leg. Now Cristiano Ronaldo is in the hospital Virgen del Camino. He says that he is going to leave out of the Real Madrid when he goes out of the hospital. Goodbye.
Hello, this is the national news. The English capital is haunted. In the night, can hear strange sounds. Like this. In the wardrobe, in the night, you can see horrible ghosts. The English camp has got a legend. When you say 7 times Jesus in front of a mirror, Jesus appears. And he says, I am Jesus. Jesus is a crazy boy of 12 years that died of aneurysm. Now I want to go. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Ah! Goodbye.
The following is a special presentation of ABC Sports.
Good morning, welcome to the Elephants News Sports News. I am Goretti.
I am Amy.
I am Naya.
And now we are going to tell you the sports news.
In the 29th of May, the Football Club Barcelona won the Champions Cup. The result was 3-1. Pedro scored the first goal, but 10 minutes later, Rooney scored the first and only goal of Manchester United. In the second part, Messi scored the Andrew in the match, and the last minutes, Villa scored the third goal. And like this, the match finished.
On Monday at night, the fantastic red team played Campatigo against the terrible blue team. And the fantastic red team won 2-1. First, the red team won, but later, the blue team won. And in the last game, the fantastic red team won.
On Monday afternoon in Vieri Cristal, the fantastic group of the Elephants played certain games and the Elephants won. The first game was Elephants and Rangers, and the Elephants won. The second game was rugby basketball, but here the Rangers went 10-6. And the last game was fire in the water, and in that game the Elephants won.
Insects repellent. You need a new repellent. Imagine, this is a fly. You use a repellent. The fly is sick, and finally he dead. It's the best.
Hello, we are the guests of the horoscopy. And some horoscope and the side the futuro. Now horoscope, Aries. Be careful, you will go crazy because 18 months alive. Taurus, you are going to a fat in love with a famous actor. Géminis, be careful at swimming pool. Cancer, be careful with a macaroni, because then you are going to a park. Leo, you are going to bed on a lion, because you are going to go about because you don't like your house. Goodbye.
Hello, I don't know because the oxen are very good, but the reindeers are a little bit bitter. But I think the elephants are going to be the winners. Please, Sophia, can you stand up?
Yes. Oxen.
The oxen are going to be the second team. Yes.
Reindeers.
The reindeers are going to be the third team.
Huskies.
Then the huskies, horse,
And moose.
and finally are going to be the mules. Goodbye. This is all, and call me tomorrow. Goodbye.
Hello, good morning. We can see fashion clothes, earrings, but they are from the different category. You can see this much.
The clothes is very beautiful because that of the different category and marine chain.
This is a rhythmical dynasty Maya. Are very good, elastic and good marine spine. Bye bye.